Hey guys, guess what? It's Moto Vlog 3.0 and this is on a new camera. So, how do I look? Pretty? Pretty? But this weekend, we're going to Glen Helen and I'm gonna go race some really fast California kids. So, here we go. Alright guys, so it's Wednesday night and tomorrow, Thursday night, right after work, me and a couple of the crew are heading to Glen Helen, race the California round of Worcs. So before that happens, got to do some stuff on the bike, got to get oil filter, air filter, oil change, the whole gambit basically. And the big thing is the 126 is actually going away. I have official Worcs number now, and I'm going to be the 826. And we're going yellow backgrounds for the B class. So these are going on tonight as well, and a little bit of laundry, all the stuff, and then we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow on the drive down to California. All right, we're all loaded up and we got the bikes in, we got the work van. This video is not sponsored by Rocky Mountain, except for they do pay my bills through paychecks, but everyone's loaded up and we're gonna head to San Bernardino. We might stop in Vegas tonight, but if we can make it all the way to California, we're gonna do it. So let's go.
That's good.
Is that you need an escort?
No! I'm not talking. Guess I don't need that anymore. There's so much smoke. We saw the sun just disappear. It's all smoke. It's what, 6 o'clock, 6:22?
Gnarly. Here in California, you can't see the sun through the freaking smog. Dude, we made it 8
How was it?
hours later. I'm glad we made it all in one trip. That way we can get up, you know, get rolling a lot smoother without a crazy early morning from Vegas like originally planned. Get some breakfast in us and get riding. I'm super excited. I love Glen Helen. It's gonna be a good time.
Heck yeah. Let's go. Okay, update. My battery's almost dead. And I got Charles here. So far today, I haven't filmed anything because I don't want to. We've been practicing just the moto track all day. And now we're gonna do our unclassified practice, which means that we're gonna do the entire course. And got the GoPro on, so here we go.
And the Mr. Legend.
What's up, vlog? What's up?
We're going to the race. We're gonna win first place. And you have an ugly face. Oh, it's Snoopy. Check this out. Looking good. All right. I don't know if you can hear me, but practice is done. That was rough. It's gonna be a rough race tomorrow and Sunday. Probably covered in dirt, but that's kind of how it goes. Yeah, so now we're just gonna chill out. Hopefully eat some good food. Gonna watch Kobe ride. And yeah, we'll probably do some B-roll right now and see you tomorrow. Yo, what's up? It's race day. Time to get that bread, I guess. Well, probably more like eggs, but let's do it. Here's the update. I'm right next to the track. I'm getting some shots and some video, mostly for work. And this is the first race. So Charles and Eric's daughters, Hadley and Riley, are in this race. So I'm gonna get some shots. And then next is the pro practice and the fast guys. And then I'm up next. So probably do some more shots. Throw this thing on and give her a send. I'll take it.
But I think it's big fins is what Mike Timing's saying.
That's awesome.
Oh, you look good.
I only almost died a couple times.
That's almost.
Yeah. No, I think I rode as well as I could with my endurance and skill, so I'm happy with it.
That's good.
Three races in one day. How do you feel?
I feel pooped. I honestly, I feel like I could have held on a little better if I didn't crash. This guy freaking T-bone, or not T-bone, but straight up hit the side of my bike. I hit a wall and slammed into the other one. And that took it out of me. I was just sitting there shaking for a while. But I still finished, so happy about that.
How do you feel on the day?
Impressed. I'm a little bummed out. It's a sad finish. Dylan was riding really, really well. He deserved first place, but I mean, some things are out of your control. But it was fun to watch.
Dylan, how do you feel about the day?
It's alright. Salvaged the day out. Got a flat on the last lap going out. Coming in, just tried to salvage points. That's it. It was alright. All you can do. For you.
And for me, I feel freaking awesome. All these guys are all bummed and sad, and I'm just kidding. Oh, good day. We're gonna roll this up, or round it up tomorrow. Actually, we're gonna go hit the beach, and then tomorrow we're gonna fill it up again. Yep. It's this guy's birthday. It's Charles' birthday on Monday, so that's what he wanted to do. So we're gonna go do it. Hey, we made it to the beach. Let the beach B-roll begin. Hadley, update the vlog. Where are we at?
Tacos. Pretty good.
Dude, you ready for some tacos? Walking on the phone. Alright, camera died, so we're using what we got. Yeah, it's freaking cold. Here's our Sunday update. I'm right in the thick of it. Here's the track right here. The pros are practicing and the A class are racing. So Kobe's out there right now. I've just been getting some shots for work and also just some pictures for everyone that's racing with us today. So next I gotta get geared up and I'm in the 30B class, so we'll throw on the GoPro and see how it goes.
Kick off.
Thanks, dude.
All right, we're done, boys. We got the van all loaded up. It is totally full of crap. I finished today on my second race. I think the GoPro died, so not sorry about that. But I finished 4th, so pretty good. Kobe, results?
Moved up a few positions, felt really good this morning. The track was just awesome. Ended up 10th yesterday.
That sucks.
Ended up 10th yesterday with some mistakes and was able to eliminate those today. I think I finished 7th in 450A. We're not going to stick around for the Pro-Am as much as I would like to ride it. We got a long drive home, but great riding stuff today. Racing.
What were your results today?
I had an awesome time, but I didn't ride. Just taking pictures, and these guys kept blowing through this banner or the string, kept tying it back up. People kept blowing through it. I don't know.
What were your results today?
No results today. Just
You
chilled
didn't
out.
like hit clickers or anything?
No hair flickers.
Didn't eat anything
Got on the bike
good?
today.
All right, we're out. See you guys.